On today's roads, clarity and protection aren't optional, they're essential. Designed to be your silent witness, your drive deserves protection. The ThinkWare F70 Pro dashcam delivers it with sharp Full HD recording and reliable coverage, wherever the road takes you, and it offers dependable protection on the road without unnecessary bulk. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, installation, app connection, safety precautions, and troubleshooting. What's in the box? Power cord with car charger and mounting accessories. Documentation pamphlet. Want to grab the ThinkWare F70 Pro dashcam from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. The F70 Pro captures sharp 1080p high-definition videos at 30 frames per second, delivering crystal-clear footage with improved contrast and accurate color balance. Super Night Vision technology enhances video brightness and reduces image noise in low-light conditions, so you don't miss important details while parked. Combining Full HD video quality with high dynamic range, the F790 records everything with improved video sharpness, detail, and clarity. The dual-band Wi-Fi connects seamlessly to the ThinkWare Link app, letting you review footage, download videos, and change settings with ease. Built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and provides safety camera alerts for added protection. Stay alert with real-time warnings for lane departures, forward collisions, and more. These smart alerts help you react quickly to sudden changes. Extra protection that makes every drive safer. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you two methods to install your dashcam. Method 1, via the cigarette lighter socket. Method 2, via hardwiring your dashcam to your car's fuse box. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Insert a compatible MicroSD card into the dashcam before powering it on. The device will automatically format the card for first use. Always use a high-quality card to ensure stable recording and storage. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press it firmly onto the cleaned, selected surface. Adjust the angle so the camera is centered and level with the road ahead. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the car charger to the dashcam, then insert the DC-in plug into the car's cigarette lighter socket securely. Ensure the connection is firm and the dashcam powers on when the vehicle is started. Hardwiring the dashcam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device Then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add-a-fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the black ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download or install the ThinkWare-Cam Link app. Turn on your vehicle so the dash cam powers up. Then open the menu on its LCD touchscreen. Go to Settings, select Connectivity, then Wi-Fi, and switch it on. The dash cam will now broadcast its own Wi-Fi network. On your phone, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the dash cam's network using the default password. Launch the app, and once connected, you can see live view, download clips, and manage all settings from your phone. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your ThinkWare F70 Pro dash cam. See you in the next one.